This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay NFC. This secure payment method leverages near-field communication technology, allowing you to make quick transactions with your iPhone or Apple Watch. Your actual card numbers are never stored on your device or shared with merchants, providing an extra layer of privacy and protection. It's a convenient way to pay at millions of locations globally, simply by tapping your device. To set up Apple Pay, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Tap the plus sign in the top right corner to add a new card. You can scan your credit or debit card or enter the details manually. Your bank will then verify the card, often through a quick text message or phone call. This process usually takes less than 2 minutes, making it incredibly straightforward. When you're ready to pay with your iPhone, simply double-click the side button. Your default card will appear, and you'll authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Then, hold the top of your iPhone near the contactless reader until you see a Done message and a check mark on your screen. For older models, just rest your finger on the Home button while holding it near the terminal. Using your Apple Watch is just as easy. Double-click the side button to bring up your cards, select the one you wish to use, and hold the watch display near the contactless reader. Look for the universal contactless payment symbol, which resembles 4 curved lines, at checkout. Apple Pay is accepted in millions of stores, restaurants, and online, offering a fast and secure way to complete your purchases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.